Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install vCenter server. Before installing vCenter server, make sure that your system belongs to domain rather than a workgroup. As you can see in the screen, I have got this blue screen which I got from vCenter server media disk. Here we have options like vCenter server, vSphere client. First I'm going to install vCenter server, so choose vCenter server and click install. Choose your desired language. Click next. This is in-user pattern agreement, so click next. This license agreement, so agree the license. And click next. Here, put your username and organization details. And we can use license calculator, so click next. Here we have to either use Microsoft SQL Server or we can use our existing database. For this purpose I'm using SQL Server, so click next. Here we have to specify our service account. We can either use system account or you can use account within our domain. Here I'm using system account. Now you can use destination folder, so I'm using default destination folder, so click next. Here we have to create a standalone vCenter server, or we can join a vCenter server group using link mode. For this purpose I'm using standalone. Click next. Now choose default network port. Click next. Again choose default network port for inventory service. Here choose the inventory size of your organization. Here I'm using a small one which is default, which will allow me 100 hosts. Click next and click next to begin the installation. This takes few minutes to complete, so I'm pausing this video for a while. This means installation of vCenter server. Next thing we are going to do is install vSphere client. So now we can go to vCenter server installation media disk, and these are vCenter server installation media disk. Just double click. As you can again see that blue screen. So now next, second option, vSphere client, click install. Choose your desired language. Click next. Click next. Agree the license agreement. Click next. Your username and organization. Click next. Choose default destination folder. Install. This also takes few minutes to complete, so I'm going to pause this video. This finish vSphere client installation. Click finish. Now we can log into our vCenter server using vSphere client. Now type the IP address of our vCenter server, which is 172.26.255.100, and use Windows session credentials. As you can see, we have been able to log into our vCenter server. Here, this is our vCenter server. You can right click and you can see new folder. You can create a new data center. This is a point where you can centrally manage all your ESXi hosts and all the virtual machines that runs on a ESXi host. This completes the installation of vCenter server. Thanks for watching this video.